there's no power on the coil at all, and I see squirrel and everything. They ate wires. That's the reason none of the wires were matching. Cranky people, welcome back to the All-Star Garage. In the last episode, we started working on the Fiat 850, but unfortunately, we weren't able to finish it on time. And today, we're going to be starting where we left it off. We're going to be doing all the stuff that has to be done this car. Definitely, it's been sitting for too long, so it deserves a second chance on this road. So let's start working on it. First off, let me push it up in the garage, and yeah, let's not waste our time. Okay, so I got this car back in the garage, and yeah, there's no power on the coil at all. So I've been working on this car for a while, checking everything. So what I found out is that this is a Fiat, but looks like it was sitting for a while somewhere else, and I see squirrel and everything. They ate wires. So instead of Fiat wires, they actually found a Fiat, because it is the same car. They found a Fiat wires and plug it into this, and that's the reason none of the wires were matching. So I ended up finding out the diagram for the Fiat and finding out the diagram for the Fiat 850. So I kind of compared it, everything, and yeah, this is the end of it. Everything is now working. I mean, I hope so. Everything is working, because I haven't checked everything, but what I got is a signal, contact signal, and check this out. And if I turn it, this car would also crank the first time. So this is where I got it. Look at this mess of the wires. I had to pull every single wire out and replug it, recheck it, everything with the two diagrams. And one interesting fact, look how these cars, they were basically produced for a left or the right hand drive cars. So basically this could mount also right here, and the motor for the windshield wipers can mount underneath here. So it will basically flip the wires and make it one car for the rear, I mean not rear, my bad, for the right and a left drive hand car. So I got everything back in where it's supposed to be, how it's supposed to be. New ignition, all the switches. So yeah, this is the time when we're gonna start driving this car, because there's nothing left to do but enjoy this 1975 Fiat 850. Okay, the next thing on the list is this broken control arm. So we're gonna have to fix that. So yeah, let's start heading. So here it is, I got it done. So now it's a brake problem and we can start driving it. So we tried a couple of times. I assume this is gonna be the last time we're gonna start, so crank it up. Go ahead, keep going. Yeah! Yeah! And look at this thing, man. Amazing. Amazing. It does sound like a little bit engine exhaust had a problem, but man, look at it sound. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna put it right here, Mike, so you can hear it better. And boy, there you have it. It's running. I mean, it's finally running. I mean, what did I do? I changed the spark plugs. I changed a fuel pump. Here, let me show you how a fuel pump actually works. Let me get you the old one. I changed all the electricity wires how it's supposed to be, and this is the end of it. Here, you can see right here, actual old fuel pump. I just made sure so I don't get any problems. Change fuel pump, change all the spark plug wires, coil, everything's changed, and now, man, it does sound kind of rough, but I mean, this is a 20 years old sitting car, and let me just say, listen, this sound, man, I'm amazed, man. I did so much in this car. I did so much. I did so much in this car to get it where it's actually right now. So yeah, thank you, buddy. Thanks for giving me a heads up. That's my rooster, so he is giving me heads up too. So yeah, let's start tackling other stuff now. But yeah, we got it running, man. That's main thing. That's how I was supposed to do. And yeah, look at this. I gotta connect it to the fuel tank. I did it just on a bottle, so I can make sure it's running. So yeah, here it is, man. Running and driving car, almost. Look at this having a spill. Yeah. So this is that time. Start a car for the first time and drive it for the first time. Let's go, Seth. And there you have it. A little Fiat 850 is back on the road again. She's just showing you how the old steel has a plenty of life left in it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with the other ones. Also, if you haven't checked out the other videos that I did on every single car that I bought, please do so. Until then, keep cranking your engines. you.